Welcome back to our channel. I'm Stella.
And I'm Anna.
And together we're Anna.
And today we're going to be making brownies.
Box has the instructions.
What's the first step?
Preheat oven to 325 Fahrenheit. I remember last time I had to come back here 5 times last time I made brownies to make sure I had this right, so I'm just taking the box with me.
We need a bowl.
Alright, it is preheating.
Place water, oil, eggs. So we need 1/3 cup of water. So, as you guys know, we're older now. And our video skills are getting better and we're looking a bit more older. And we're getting more mature, as you can tell. So, Stella looks different.
I do look very different.
Do I look different?
Yeah.
We both look different. So now we'll do our oil.
As you guys can see, we've matured. Slips. I'm not getting over that, and I will probably never be mature. Enter in the garage. I'll be right back.
Wait, remember last time you twerked in front of the fridge?
I don't think we have eggs.
Mother!
We have to go to Anna's house and get an egg.
Okay, guys.
Okay, so we need eggs. Screw up. I'm wearing Henry's Crocs. Here you go.
They fit you too. Neighbor check. For the back.
I'm giving you this egg.
Okay.
Take care of it.
We should just vlog the entire thank you for the egg, by the way. I'll sit on it with my life. I said Stella was here, and then it also says Lauren.
Where's Sky?
Wait, where's Sky? Sky?
Sky?
Where'd Sky go? Wait, hold on. Oh!
It's our love magic kid, Sky. This is Sky. Hey, I do not want to kiss. We're teaching him how to give kisses. I'll show you guys. Kiss. Good boy. So Stella's gonna put in the egg now.
You guys haven't seen the chain animation for going to Japan?
You're going to...
No.
Yeah, I've seen that one. I love Jaden.
Okay. I know Jane Animation's so good. Guys, go check out Jaden after this.
Jaden Animation.
Jaden Animations after this video. Maybe even subscribe to her.
So Stella's gonna put in the egg now.
Don't get mad at me for cracking it on the side of the bowl.
Remember when I was mixing in this?
Yes. Don't do that this
I
time.
won't. Okay.
Anna! Hello!
You dripped some egg on my...
Whatever. Stop hitting my wrist.
I'm not.
You
Guys,
can't run it.
I don't think we can spill this one.
Why are you going like this?
I'm sort of patting down the powder.
My
So
stuff's
I always watch that old brownie video, and one thing I noticed that I did was I always kept my mouth open. I just went like this. Like, girl, close your mouth. I close my mouth a lot more now.
Anna, you're kind of dark, so I'm gonna just. That seemed very offensive. I am very sorry. You hold the bowl and then I'll move it in, and we can just take turns, I guess.
Sure. I'm really good at getting it all out. And you got it. Did we need...
Oh no! Wait.
We needed Pam. I remember.
Vegan version for glass pan out of 5. No, it doesn't say we need Pam.
Where? By lightly greasing.
No!
Yeah, we need the pan or else it won't come on.
Can I stop yelling, please?
Nope.
We're not even yelling.
We don't need more. We don't need more. I know the month that you're born in. September.
It's October. You got that wrong.
Oops. Didn't you tell me earlier too?
No way you did that on purpose. You know it's October. You know it's October.
I completely forgot.
No, you didn't.
We are the champions. You can just stick it in and then next time we'll put some.
Okay guys, so the brownies are in the oven, so Stella's gonna wash some dishes and then we'll show you the end result.
Okay, guys, so now we're just gonna fill up the sink. Like so. And we'll just rinse it to get all the suds off. And so now we're gonna move on to the next object that we're just gonna throw in. All the small objects just get thrown in. Kind of rinse this. Rinse it off and pop it in there. And we're gonna get the handle. Now we'll just, look, it's like a boat. Look at that. Ha. And yeah, that's me doing the dishes. Or should I say, me and
You got pranked.
Let's go.
Nerds, it was both of us.
Did
Did you guys believe it?
Did you guys believe it? Probably not. Hershey's Kisses.
26 minutes left. Brownies are done. We
Yes.
just tried them. They're good. So we have Henry, Ben, and Sean here, and they tried them and they're good. Thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll see y'all later. Bye. Yeah, I did have a bloody nose, but I'm okay now. Cut the cameras, cut the cameras.
Ben, you seem like something like